the basis of caste, religion, gender, creed and place of birth, no one can deprive you. Okay? So, according to this right, no person shall be shown favoritism because of which no Supreme Court, no Prime Minister, no any President come under favoritism. Means law cannot favor anyone. Okay? So, law is equal to all, that is from a pure to the Prime Minister. Pure to the Prime Minister means law is everyone for, law is same for everyone. Okay? They are treated equally and are bound to the general court of law. Okay. However, the President and Governor which have certain privileges. Why? Because of their responsibility, because of their institution, like Prime Minister, President and Governor is President is a head of the nation. So if he not have any privilege, so he cannot function well manner, because if he cross to any road and that road is very fill up by the traffic, and for this meeting which he is gone, what happened with his work, what happened with her, that time meeting to be late. So because of the certain necessary function, he provided some privileges, and many cases of the him can be charged falsely. So because of the prestigious position, he has certain privileges. What are the privileges? In each and every circumstance, law should prevail equally. Means, by the way, he has certain privileges, but in case of law, he also come under the law. Okay? There should be no discrimination or specific shown any particular person or class. Every law should be equally disseminated. Okay? Every person shall have equal admittance. Public place like shop, restaurant, hotel, public entertainment places have equal access to road, lakes, use of public wear, bathing guards. Everything is self-explanatory. Because of this, I am not going to explain you, because shop you know, public bath places you know, swimming pool you know well. Okay. However, the state has the right to make any special arrangement for women, children, why? For development. As you know, women and poor people or Dalit people, they are deprived historically, like our grandfather, our grandmother. If he or she belongs to Brahmin and Kshatriya category, they almost neglected the Dalit category. Like Harijan people, they are even their shadow, they not like, they cannot tolerate their shadow. So imagine what was the situation for this category of the people. Okay, that means this Dalit people is deprived historically, exploit historically. And for this, and you know about women is also very deprived section of the society, because she cannot go to the school at that point, and she cannot participate every large institution or every prestigious institution. Because of this, our constitution given a right to a state to make a law, to make such law that is can enhance the level of the women, children, poor people, etc. Okay, so state can discriminate for the development of the society, because our population 100%, out of the 100%, 49% come from the women section. If she is not developed, how can you expect the development of the nation? Okay, so you need to provide some privilege and some discrimination which is positive in manner. Okay, that means if you provide any freedom to the woman which is necessary, which is demand of the time, which is very necessary for the development of the woman. Okay, so as a guarantee of social justice, personal dignity, untouchability is abolished. Untouchable, like or I mentioned about the list, their shadow is not tolerated by the Brahmins, not tolerated by the Kshatriyas, not tolerated by the other some upper class of the society. Even nowadays, you cannot sit with in villages like North Indian villages, you cannot sit with Dalits like Harijan category of the people, and you cannot go to their home and drink or eat. Okay, so now a situation, you imagine what was the situation at that time. Okay, so because of this, untouchability should be abolished and abolished, and it very must be abolished. Okay, because of this, like many Raja, Maharaja Dhiraj, everything mentioned in our historical book like Vikramaditya, many titles. Because of equality should be prevail, our constitution forefather, making of the constitution forefather, abolish this type of title. Okay, which is title and epithets which create artificial discrimination in the society. Artificial means if anyone said by the people Raja or Maharaja Dhiraj or Kuwarsa or Pratap, so you can imagine discriminate because he is seen as a different from the section of the society. If he is seen as a different from the society, that means he is breach of the equality. Okay, so because of equality should be prevail, this title need to be abolished and our forefather abolished. Okay, like Sir, Diwanji. Sir means like today's not sir. That time sir is more different from the today's sir. Okay, that time sir is like, I cannot write like Sir Mahendra as an example. Okay, Sir Mahendra, it is not your suffix or prefix. Okay, that time you cannot use this in our document, but at that point you can use. Because of this, he is and our forefather is abolish this. Like Diwanji, Rai Bahadur are removed. After independence, the government, in order to facilitate